everyone, in this video we are going to see about string methods in Java. So let's begin. Contains. This method checks whether the string contains a substring. Substring. Returns the substring of a string. Join. This method joins the given strings using the delimiter. Replace. Replaces the specified old character with the specified new character. Replace all. Replaces all the substrings matching the regex pattern. Replace first. Replaces the first matching substring. Char act. This method returns the character present in the specified location. Get bytes. Converts the string to an array of bytes. Index of. Returns the position of the specified character in the string. Compare to. Compares two strings in the dictionary order. Compare to ignore case. Compares two strings ignoring the case differences. Trim. Removes any leading and trailing white spaces. Format. Returns a formatted string. Split. Breaks the string into an array of strings. To lowercase. Converts the string to lowercase. To uppercase. Converts the string to uppercase. Value of. Returns the string representation of the specified argument. To char array. Converts the string to a character array. Matches. Checks whether the string matches the given regex. Starts with. Checks if the string begins with the given string. Ends with. Checks if the string ends with the given string. Is empty. This method checks whether a string is empty or not. In turn, it returns the canonical representation of the string. Content equals. Checks whether the string is equal to char sequence. Hash code. Returns a hash code for the string. Subsequence. This method returns a subsequence from the string. With that, we have come to the end of this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Until then, signing off. Thank you all for watching.